We just listed this charming 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home offering 1,180 square feet of cozy living space, and it's ready for you to add your personal touch. 2158 11th Street in Riverside, California is situated on a 5,663 square foot lot in a well-established Riverside neighborhood. The home's layout includes separate living and dining rooms, perfect for hosting family gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings at home. Its inviting atmosphere and thoughtful design create a welcoming space for making lasting memories. This property features dual-pane vinyl windows throughout, along with central heating and air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen offers generous counter space, plenty of cabinetry for all your storage needs, and modern appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, and a versatile combo range with oven and stove. Whether you're preparing gourmet meals or everyday dishes, this well-appointed kitchen provides both the functionality and space you need to making cooking a breeze. The dedicated indoor laundry room enhances the home's convenience, making daily chores more efficient and adding a practical touch to your everyday routine. It's a thoughtful feature designed to simplify household tasks while keeping everything organized. The primary bedroom offers a relaxing retreat, complete with a ceiling fan for added comfort and windows that overlook both the side yard and backyard, filling the space with natural light. A standalone closet provides ample storage, keeping your essentials neatly tucked away. The full bathroom features a charming pedestal sink and toilet, complemented by a window that lets in natural light. A convenient medicine cabinet offers additional storage, while the shower inside the bathtub provides versatility for your bathing needs. Shelves for storage complete the space, ensuring everything you need is within easy reach. The second bedroom is a comfortable space, featuring a window that allows for natural light, a ceiling fan with an integrated light fixture for added illumination and airflow, and a closet that provides ample storage for your belongings. Isn't this home absolutely charming? And the best part is there's so much more to explore. From its inviting interior spaces to the expansive outdoor areas, this property offers a wealth of opportunities for comfort and creativity. The third bedroom offers a cozy space with a window that brightens the room, a ceiling light for ample illumination, and a standalone closet for convenient storage. It's an ideal space for a guest room, home office, or personal retreat. The third and fourth bedrooms share access to a convenient Jack and Jill half bathroom, complete with a pedestal sink, toilet, and a medicine cabinet for storage. The bathroom also features a handy shelf and a light fixture, making it both functional and well lit for everyday use. This home is thoughtfully designed to blend functionality with comfort, creating an inviting atmosphere ideal for everyday living. Every detail has been considered to ensure a harmonious flow throughout the space, making it perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. The fourth bedroom is a bright and airy space, a ceiling light for ample illumination, and a standalone closet for convenient storage. Large windows offer views of both the front and side yards, filling the room with natural light. This bedroom also provides easy access to the Jack and Jill half bath, adding convenience and privacy. It has a charming front patio perfect for relaxing with a morning coffee, enjoying the fresh air, or creating a welcoming space to greet guests. This outdoor area offers an ideal spot for adding personal touches, such as potted plants or cozy seating, making it a peaceful retreat right at your doorstep. The home features a long driveway, providing ample parking space for 2 or 3 cars. This convenient setup makes it easy for family members or guests to park comfortably. The gated backyard offers added privacy and security, complete with a convenient door for easy access. This spacious backyard adorned with fruit trees provides a peaceful retreat with endless possibilities for outdoor activities, gardening, or future landscaping projects. It offers both privacy and potential, making it ideal for creating a garden oasis, reading a good book, or simply enjoying the natural beauty. This expansive outdoor space is perfect for hosting barbecues, entertaining guests, or relaxing in a tranquil environment. The fruit trees not only provide natural shade, but also enhance the picturesque setting. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast looking for a canvas to cultivate, or someone seeking to add a patio or fire pit, this backyard offers the flexibility to transform it into your own personalized outdoor sanctuary. This charming home is perfectly situated in a vibrant neighborhood, just minutes from an array of parks, restaurants, schools, and shopping options. With easy access to major freeways, 91, 215, and 60, commuting is a breeze. You'll also be within close proximity to downtown Riverside's top attractions, including the Convention Center, Fox Theater, and the historic Mission Inn. Enjoy culinary delights at the nearby Food Lab and explore local vendors at the Farmers Market, making this location ideal for both convenience and entertainment. Embrace the best of Riverside living in this delightful home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. For more information or to schedule a viewing, contact Susan Valentine at 951-907-4020. Schedule your showing today and let's turn this house into your dream home.